Welcome back to my vlog! Ang lutuin natin today ay spaghetti and meatballs. Alright? Ito po yung mga sangkap sa meatballs natin. Spring onions, garlic, beef cube, a pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of bread crumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 egg, and later on we're gonna put parsley. Alright? First we're going to chop the onions. And then the garlic. Okay, we have to combine lahat ng mga sangkap ng ground beef, bread crumbs, cheese, salt, pepper, and beef cubes, only half. Okay, and the garlic and the onions. Lastly, the egg. Paghalo-haloin lang po natin. Ayan na guys, halo-haloin lang natin ng mabuti. Paano natin na ito gamitin? Lagyan natin ng oil para hindi siya didikit mamaya. Ngayon, imamole natin siya. We're going to mold it. Like that. Cooking time 20 to 25 minutes. Set oven for 400 Fahrenheit. It's already boiling. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil para hindi siya dumikit. And then yung noodles, spaghetti noodles. Okay, and then hintayin na natin hanggang sa maluto. Okay, check. Babalik tayo na natin. This is after 10 minutes. See? chat. Right, this is after 25 minutes. Our meatballs are done. Ito, nakita nyo, lumabas yung oil. So, mas healthy siya kaysa i-prito. Yan, i-transfer lang natin siya dito sa isang plato or mangkok. We're going to dough the sauce after this. Paggawa ng sauce, ito yung mga kakailangan natin. Ito na yung meatballs, tsaka yung spaghetti sauce. Ito yung barilla. Alright, kasi asawa ko yung kakain. Gusto niya ito. Ayaw niya ng sweet spaghetti sauce. So, ito yung lalagay natin. Wala kaming tomato sauce. So, ito na. And then yung half na beef cube kanina, ilalagay din natin sa sauce. And then yung bay leaf, isa lang pong dahon to, bay leaf. And the parsley, a little bit of pepper if we need it. Alright, and of course the spaghetti noodles. So now we're going to put the spaghetti sauce. Okay, this is like 24 ounce. 24 ounce, alright? Then, papakauluan lang natin yan. Okay. Medyo kumulo na siya. Paghaluan lang natin. Saka, ilagay natin itong cube. Ano yung ito? Biler. And then, konting pepper, black pepper. Konting-konti lang. We're going to put the meatballs. And parsley. And then, isi-simmer lang natin siya for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. We're going to put the noodles. And it's done. It looks delicious. And to put the Parmesan cheese on the top. And lastly, we have to put this. This is the one we got from the backyard. Alright guys, here's our spaghetti and meatballs. He just couldn't wait. So it came on time. He already ate.
I already know it's delicious.
And the garnish, I got it from the backyard. We don't have the garnish like in the US.
It's Takeman time, so it's our natural garden.
So I just put it on there. You just, you know.
Ready? Oh, that's delicious. That's the rock, baby. Let me. Very, let me.
Alright.
Yeah. Very good, baby. We'll have more.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.